So I first noticed hair loss about 5 years ago. At the time I was in high school, I was dating, I was trying to get some girls, but I just always felt self-conscious about it. So I would cover it up by wearing hats and trying to make myself feel a little bit better about losing my hair. As I started doing more research, I found AlviArmani. At the time, they just opened their clinic here in Utah, so I booked a consultation on the website. I looked at some of the results that other patients had had, and they were super dense. The hairline was awesome. They looked natural. And the biggest differentiator was having Dr. Barton be here in the procedure the entire time doing the procedure. Not a team of nurses with no doctor supervision. He was actually hands-on, shaping my hairline, making sure that it was the correct density, doing everything I wanted it to be so that it was absolutely perfect. The pre-op meeting and the hairline design process were absolutely fantastic. The second I sat down with Dr. Barton in my pre-op meeting and we designed my hairline, all my worries went away. He took his time, we shaped it exactly how I wanted, made it look very natural, the density was perfect, and obviously with his years of experience, he just had the perfect touch to make me look exactly how I wanted. Procedure day was awesome. The second I stepped in the door, everybody made me feel comfortable and welcome, and they eased all of my worries away the second I stepped in. I changed into some comfy pajamas for the procedure, and we took some pre-op photos, and then we moved into the procedure room, got all situated, and everybody got to work. Recovery was great. The following day after the procedure, the next morning, I came back up to the clinic to make sure everything was healing the way it was supposed to following the procedure. And honestly, that gave me so much more confidence having Dr. Barton and the team here look at me and say, hey, everything's looking good. We're super excited for you. Obviously, there's still a long road to recovery, but it looks fantastic. The result is absolutely amazing. It's fantastic. I get complimented all of the time. Oftentimes people, they compliment my hairline. They're like, hey, your hair looks awesome. And then I tell them I got a hair transplant and they're blown away. They had no idea. They were shocked. And then they ask me every single detail of where I went and how did they do such a good job. And I've actually been able to refer a bunch of friends back to AlviArmani that have gotten the same procedure, and they have a very similar result. So it's not just me, the results speak for themselves, and there's a reason for it. Because Dr. Barton did such an amazing job, it looks very natural, it's very thick. My confidence has gone through the roof. Since my procedure, I don't wear hats. I got rid of most of my hats, which made me feel really, really good. And I've just been able to be way more confident. Would I recommend AlviArmani to others? 100% yes. I already have, actually. So I've recommended AlviArmani to probably 10 of my friends that have asked me, hey, how was your experience? Hey, your results are awesome. Where did you go? How did you do it? How much did it cost? All the details. And of those 10, I think at least 5 of them have come back to AlviArmani and have also gotten procedures, and their results are just as good as mine.